Here's how to crochet my ruffle hat design.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is create a magic circle. I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to crochet 12 double crochets in this circle. Then I'm going to tighten it and slip stitch to the first double crochet. Okay. Chaining 2 again. So I'm going to do 2 double crochets in the first stitch and in each stitch across, or around rather. Okay, I'm just gonna slip stitch to the first stitch. So we're gonna chain 2 again, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, and then we're gonna do 1 double crochet in the next, and then 2 double crochet in the following, and repeat that pattern around. So 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets here, and then 1 double crochet. Repeat that all the way around, and you will end, of course, with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. After you chain 2, we're going to start with 2 double crochets in the first stitch again. Oops. And then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to repeat that, so 2 double crochets in the following stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches afterwards. And so we're going to finish that around and then slip stitch to the first double crochet. All right, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and that pattern all the way around, 2 double crochets afterwards in the following stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 in the next 3, as you see here. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 in the next 4. Two double crochets in the following stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then repeat that around. Chain 2, and I'm gonna do back post double crochet in the first stitch and each stitch around. So now we're going to chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the first stitch and in each stitch around. And we are going to, after you complete this row, we will repeat it for 10 more rounds for a total of 11 rows of half double crochet. All right, chain 2, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets in the first stitch and each stitch around, and this is going to start to create our ruffle effect. You can see it's already starting. We're going to chain 2 and we're going to repeat the row before, so we're just going to crochet 3 double crochets in the first stitch and each stitch around.
Once you're finished, you should be left with something like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.